Cheers.
Ding.
45 minutes up to the waterfalls.
45 minutes?
Go.
Oh man. Okay, we can do it. No giving up. Long tail, no? That's the biggest squirrel I've ever seen. It's a squirrel.
Oh. Cute fellow. Oh, he just
There he
jumped.
goes. So there you have it. One well. I think 2 wells. 3 wells, 4 wells, 5 wells. Anyway, there's 7 here somewhere. Pretty cool. And a glass floor. That's kind of foggy, but still cool. Kind of scary. No, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Okay, so the 45-minute hike, that was bad information. More like 5-minute hike.
Yeah, 10 minutes maybe.
10-minute hike.
About 400 steps.
400 steps. Good point.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm hot, man. It's super hot today. Just had ice cream and corn.
Kind of nice to sit by the pool and get a view of the sea, of the ocean right in front of you, right there.
Good point, Ivana.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that view. So nice.
There's the pools, and there's your ocean view.
Huh?
All right, let's go swimming. I'm hot.
So during the rainy season, I think there's a slide there, natural slide that you can go to, but too bad there's no water right now. So we're just gonna take a little dip in this pool. I think the biggest pool around. Look at Steve, he's already in. He's having fun. Look at the little merman. Are you having fun? You
It's
look
fun.
like
It's so mossy
you're
in
having.
Here. I think I can't get out. You try to go up the side and slide back in.
Oh, it's really slippery.
It's
Eh?
slippery in here. It's nice and smooth. What's nice is the whole place in the shade.
That's
which,
true.
when you look at my skin, I can use that.
Okay. Trying to be human again. Come on up. Come on. You can do it. Let's do it again.
Can you bring me dinner in here? I can't get it out. I'm hungry.
Come on, man. Look at that.
Girl likes when I just add in the water.
Go, Ivana. Go, Ivana. Slow motion.
Yeah, pretty extreme. Hit my elbow. It's okay. It's all funny games when you're a full-grown child.
That was fun.
That was the finale, the grand finale. Wow, guys, would recommend. Absolutely 5-star. Today has been one of my favorite days in Malaysia. I'm not exaggerating.
So
Seriously
nice.
amazing. This morning we had a boat tour. Went to like 3 different places. Saw a bunch of eagles this morning. Saw a hornbill here.
Boat tour for 35 ringgits each.
Go
That was
check that
good.
vlog if you haven't seen it yet. We saw a hornbill today. We saw a gigantic squirrel. The slide here, the group we're with is a bunch of like hilarious guys. You saw my 2 friends there. So we're just having a bunch of fun, acting like teenagers.
The
Met a bunch of people.
The slides.
Really great.
They're so fun. And also
So
the
fun.
infinity pool out there is so beautiful.
Good point.
So romantic.
Wow, you've got a romantic part. You've got a fun part. There's a bridge here, viewpoints. Saw a
And
hornbill. What a great day.
if you come in during the rainy season, it will even be more fun because the water
Will
is
be
just,
much higher.
Yeah.
So yeah, probably like 30 centimeters lower than it should be, but still a great time here. Free to enter, had a blast. Langkawi, 5 stars.
All right.
Anyway, I'm hungry. Time for dinner. Thanks for watching, guys. Check below us for our most recent upload. You can see what rock structure we're sliding on, what gigantic bird we're spying on. And on the left, some of our other videos. Please subscribe. Lots more
Love you,
exploring to do.
Malaysia.
Love you, Malaysia.
Bye.